Hi guys, today I am going to show you how I do my quick pickled mustard stir fry. This was what I made last week, so check it out. I got pickled mustard, ready to go. A quart jar, it's about 3 cups dry, and 2 cloves of garlic, and some bacon, or a lot, it depends on you. And you know what? A little bit of chili powder. So first, drain out the rest of this juice out. You can drink the juice if you want, but don't drink too much. You might get addicted. I would rinse this out, and I had some garlic and a shallot in here. Just went through and picked them out. You can leave them in if you like. I picked mine out. And then the 2 cloves of fresh garlic, just mince them up and set them aside. With the bacon, it's kind of tough to decide how much. It's up to you, your own preference. Here I got a packet, maybe a third, a quarter, but I just eyeballed it, you know. Bacon, you can never have too much or too little. Well, you can have too little, but you can never have too much. So, as much as you like, I got about a third, and I just cut them up, trying to get a little bacon bits pieces so that it can cook a little quicker. So just mince them up like that, chunk them up. That's a lot of bacon, to be honest with you. Hot pan, and just put in your bacons and trying to crispy them up, you know, just frying them up. When they drain almost all the fat. This is just an extra step that I like to do. You're welcome to leave all the fattening in. I'm just gonna drain them out. Just drain your fat out or not. After that, just throw in your garlic and kick them around for about 30 seconds to a minute. I'm doing a medium high heat. This is a quick recipe, guys. Throw in the rest of your pickled mustard. That's the reason when I cut them in all nice ready chunk sizes. And about a couple of minutes, when you think things are all kind of like dried up, dash in a dash or 2 of fish sauce. That's what makes it so crazy, weird, and tasty. So then, you know, add in your chili powder, shake as much as you want. So everything is dry and incorporated. And that is it. This dish has so many flavors. It's sweet, it's sour, it's a little salty and spicy. You've got to try. It's so good with white rice. Hot white rice is so good. But you can always do this as a side dish for your beer or for your drink, whatever. I usually just eat it by itself, and maybe it's just a little drink on the side. I hope you like this recipe. Smash a thumb up if you did. Share it with someone. I appreciate it. And comment down below and let me know how you like the recipe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't for future Vietnamese, Asian home cook, gardening, and more. I'll talk to you later in the next video. Bye bye.